Speaking of that rain, here's Paul to talk about what we can see tonight.
It's kind of winding down in Nashville for right now. I think we'll see some more showers, but our severe weather threat is going down to minuscule territory.
We like that.
Right on.
Yeah, in Metro. East of I-65, still got to dodge that a little bit. Let's take a look at what's happening right now. And still some strong storms out there, but we don't have any severe thunderstorm warnings. We haven't had any severe thunderstorm warnings throughout the afternoon. So both of those very good pieces of news. Let's take a look at the stronger storms right now on the border between Simpson and Allen counties in southern Kentucky. In between Scottsville and Tompkinsville, some heavier rain, some more frequent lightning there. It's got a spottier shower activity as we head into northeastern Middle Tennessee. These storms haven't really been intensifying. We've got a decent one going right now in southern Smith County, another one in southern Putnam County. Strongest storms right now are over Rutherford and Cannon counties. One approaching Murfreesboro. I'm going to put this in motion so you can see where it's going, and it's going to be going right over I-24 and into Murfreesboro, which is not ideally timed for the evening commute. I-24 eastbound is always enough of a mess, but it's going to be even more so with some puddles on the road. Another stronger storm staying below severe limits in eastern Rutherford County up towards around Woodbury in Cannon County. Farther down to the south, spotty activity, nothing too intense right now, and everything is politely remaining below severe limits. West of I-65, you're pretty much in the clear for the severe weather threat as we head through the rest of the evening, so some good news there. Zooming out to the wider perspective, and you can see there's nothing new lining up farther to our west other than some sprinkles here in West Tennessee. So once we get rid of this activity in the eastern half of the mid-state, then our severe weather threat really won't be any cause for concern as we head through the rest of the evening. Let's zoom in for a look at Futurecast, and we'll take you through the evening and into tonight. And this particular forecast model has a really good handle on where things are right now, and it does push the heaviest rain, the most intense storms farther to the east as we head through the evening. Should be diminishing just after sunset. By 10 o'clock, there's still going to be some scattered showers. There could even be a few rumbles of thunder here and there, but temperatures are going to be low enough the atmosphere will have been worked over by the current shower and thunderstorm activity to not allow any severe thunderstorms to develop. So really not concerned about that once we get past the next couple of hours, basically. Headed through the rest of the night into tomorrow morning, the rain is going to be winding down from west to east. Cloud cover is going to be tough to shake. I think we're going to see mostly cloudy skies to start the day on Friday with still some lingering showers in the eastern half of the mid-state, but it's going to be very light and it's not going to amount to much more than a trace of additional rainfall. But at least we're getting some rain out there, which we do definitely need. Let's take a look at a time lapse. This is over the past several hours looking towards downtown Nashville as the clouds thickened. A little shower passed through and then a bigger shower passed through with some heavier rain right around 3:30, 4 o'clock over the Adventure Science Center camera looking towards downtown Nashville. A lot of puddles in West Nashville at the St. Henry School, but also current view shows a few peaks of blue skies, so some partial clearing still possible as we head through the rest of the evening. How much rain has been picked up? Anywhere from around a quarter inch so far at Riverdale High School and Murfreesboro. But remember, that radar view, they're going to pick up a little bit more rain with that next storm moving in. To just over a half an inch of rain so far at the Webb School in Bell Buckle. Very much needed. This doesn't catch us up for the month of October, but a little goes a long way. Still that potential for a couple stronger storms in the eastern half of the mid-state because this is where temperatures are warmer. Just look at the colors in the background and that tells you where the powder keg is a little bit bigger for some stronger storms. Cooler weather to the northwest, down to the mid-50s in Paris and Murray, low to mid-60s in Hopkinsville and Clarksville. That's the kind of air that is going to sweep across the mid-state as we head through the rest of the evening, and that'll knock our severe weather threat down to pretty much zero. So the timing is going to continue until about 8 o'clock. Overall, it's categorized as a marginal risk for severe weather by the Storm Prediction Center. High winds are going to be the main threat. Can't rule out a couple of hailstones out of those storms, but since we haven't had any severe thunderstorm warnings so far, that's a good sign for where we're going from here. Temperatures are definitely going to cool off down to the upper 50s by 10 o'clock this evening. Low 50s to start the morning tomorrow, some spots in the upper 40s. And very slow to warm up with that cloud cover sticking around for the first half of the day. Only mid to upper 50s by noon, low 60s for highs tomorrow afternoon. So we go from temperatures 10 degrees above average yesterday with that record-setting 91 to almost 10 degrees below average for high temperatures tomorrow. And we'll drop all the way down to around 40 degrees for overnight lows tomorrow night and again Saturday night. The weekend looks really nice. Chilly in the morning, some spots will even be in the 30s, but warming up to the mid-60s. Saturday afternoon, mid-70s. Sunday afternoon looks like great weather for the Titans game and more nice weather for at least the first couple days of the next work week. So if you're wondering why I am here instead of on the morning shift, it's because we sent the rest of the weather team out to Houston County High